Assalamualaikum students. In this video we will explore about muscles of our skeleton and their movement in our body. Can you clap your hands? How about wiggling your toes? Can you run fast and jump high? Have you ever wondered how you do that? Your muscles are what that help your body to move and functions. There are over 600 muscles in our body, and each muscle has a special job to do, such as hanging, walking, sitting, jumping, writing, or maybe raising hands. What are muscles? Muscles are the parts of the body that allow us to move in different ways. They are made up of elastic tissues and are flexible. Muscles work in pairs. There are some muscles that can be controlled by us, like the ones in our arms and in our legs. They are attached to the bones through the tendons that help our skeleton to move by contracting and relaxing. Let's try through the demonstration by moving your arm up and down. When you pull your arm up, your bicep contracts while your triceps relaxes. And when you lower your arm, your tricep contracts and your bicep relax. Muscles are amazing. There are some muscles that are not in our control, such as the muscles of our heart, our eye, our tongue. These are very hard and very special muscles. They do their job without our commands, such as our heart pumps blood throughout the body, whereas without our saying, our eyes blink. Similarly, our tongue just not only tastes the food, but also allow us to talk. Do you know there are 43 facial muscles? And do you know that it only takes 17 muscles to smile? Whereas there are all 43 muscles required for frowning. I hope you all have enjoyed learning about the movement of our skeletal muscles. Jazakallah khair and happy learning.